Okay, we're doing another film job on some steps that are settling in Powder Springs. What the customers called us out for is they have a walkway that has, it's the house, front of the house, just a normal, typical, traditional house. And they've got a stoop, which is perfectly fine, the front porch, and they've got 3 steps. And what the steps have done, that they have settled and pulled away from the structure. I've got 2 fingers in here, and you can see how much gap this is from here to here. It's a lot. It's about 3 inches right there. You can see all the way down in there. So about 2+ fingers in there. So what we're going to do, we've already done the preliminary by putting our bracket. We've got a bracket. I'll get in here and film this. This is a metal bracket here. It goes underneath the slab. This is the bracket pipe here, and this is the actual pier pipe that will go down into hard ground, and when it lifts, we'll burn a hole through the bracket and into the pipe. So we have 2 piers in this application. So that's the jack stand. Over there is the jack stand. And this is the cylinder that's pressing the pipe. There's the pipe. That pipe goes through the bracket. The bracket is connected to the bottom of the slab. And this is the cylinder. Cylinder with a valve. And both of these machines, or pumps, and cylinders are hooked up to this gas-powered machine. We monitor everything with the pressure, but the most important thing is that we try to get as much lift out of this structure as possible. So I'm going to walk around the side, and we're going to film this and show you how this structure is going to go back into place. Also, what's happened is you can see all this erosion that the house has, and that was mainly the problem with this and why it had settled. There's the slab, which is above grade. There's a hole. So we just walked around here to the side, and now we are showing the side of this gap. So what we'll do is crank up the machine, and I will take this is my valve. It's my little remote valve system, and press this button, and we should get this thing to go back into place. I'll see if I can hold this camera really still to show this. Okay. I get it about right here. Okay, here we go. Leave that one off over there. We're trying to balance these steps. As you can see, a little bit by little bit, we're getting this thing to go right back into place. Leave that one off. There it goes. We'll go a little faster here so we can speed this up. And there they go. Right back into place. All the way back. And that, my friends, is how it's done. I hope we have showed this process. Is that one on?
It's off.
Cut it on. And we can move this thing back and forth a few different ways if we want to manipulate it, but that's where we want. That is how you do it. Just wanted to show the video of the process of how it's done. We have now closed this gap that was almost 2 inches or plus, and all the way across the front within 1/8 of an inch. We will do the necessary tuck pointing and patch that crack with mortar, and you'll never be able to tell this thing was ever had a problem. There's the pier, bracket, and that's how it's done. Another quality job done by JSA.